Hi, I am Scarlett. Japan is officially open to tourists. As borders reopen for the first time in 2 years, you can finally pack your bags and travel to Japan. As for those who have already been to Japan, you can revisit your fave spots again or explore the new things in Japan. But before fully enjoying everything, including delicious food, beauty, natural, and culture, you'll need to master the railway system in Japan in order to enrich your experience. No worry, it is much easier than you think. In this video, we will show you the information you have to know regarding from Tokyo trains to the Japan Rail. Aside from historical shrines and gorgeous views, tourists love traveling inside Japan through its convenient transport system. You'll find that it's easy to get around Tokyo and its surroundings. There are plenty of options to get you from popular stations like Shinjuku to Shibuya, and even from Tokyo to Kyoto. Japan's railway system is known for being the world's most reliable and punctual train system, and you will surely feel for yourself how convenient this smoothly running system is. What are the major train services in Tokyo? Tokyo is covered by a network of train and subway lines, which are operated by different companies, and the biggest of these are Japan Rail, Tokyo Metro, and Toei Subway. Japan Rail runs the most extensive network of trains in Japan, including the Shinkansen bullet trains that connect the major cities to Tokyo and vice versa. In Tokyo alone, there are 36 lines run by the JR East to make traveling around Tokyo and its neighboring prefectures a breeze. Riding the JR trains will get you to Akihabara, Harajuku, Tokyo Disney Resort, and heaps more. Let me guess, your bucket list will cover many famous attractions in Tokyo. If so, the Tokyo Metro subway is your best companion. With 9 lines across the city, using the subway, you'll access popular areas such as Shibuya, Omotesando, Ginza, and Asakusa via the Ginza line, the Tokyo Station via Marunouchi line, and Roppongi, and the Tokyo Dome via the Namboku line. Alternatively, you can ride the Toei Subway, run by the Tokyo Metropolitan Bureau of Transportation, to get to several sightseeing areas. Take the Asakusa line to reach the Tokyo Skytree, and Oita line to Tsukuji and Sumida River. The subway has 4 lines, as well as transfer stations for Tokyo Metro and the JR trains. Which train lines run in central Tokyo? The best way to get around Tokyo is to hop on the JR trains, particularly the Yamanote line. It's commonly referred to as the JR Loop Line or Loop Line, as it simply runs in a loop around central Tokyo and connects with most of the major hubs. Some of the stations on its line that you have probably heard of include Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, Shinagawa, Shibuya, and Tokyo Station. If you really get confused or lost at any point while navigating the public transport system, we recommend that you could try to get yourself on the Yamanote line, which should give you a chance to have a breather and get back on track. Now you know that you can go almost anywhere in Tokyo without needing to do too much walking. However, there is one caveat to be wary of when taking the trains. There are so many different types of trains to the extent that it has even left Japanese citizens scratching their heads at times trying to comprehend which train to board. In Japan, trains are divided up based on the number of stations they stop at. They are local, semi-express, rapid, express, limited express, and Shinkansen. For example, a local train will stop at each individual station along its route. Semi-express represent that the train skips a few particularly small stations within the train line. Rapid represent the train skips a few stations compared to the semi-express train. Express trains stop at even fewer stations than rapid trains. Limited express trains stop only at major stations. And Shinkansen known as the high-speed express train lines. You will need to check each line's route map to see which stations you will stop at when boarding one of these trains. Although the maps will be color-coded and translated in English for your benefit, they can still be confusing, so make sure to double-check before deciding to get on a train. Thank you for watching. I hope this video could help you understand the railway system in Japan and benefit for you travel and stay. If you like this video, please thumb up the video, subscribe our channel and share to your friends.